that noise?
What?
I don't know. Something's growling.
Oh, it's my phone.
There goes somebody's hopes and dreams. They had big hopes and they were going to probably do a cedar cabin or cedar siding or something. When I bought my house, it had all cedar. Like, you know, first thing I did, I ripped that shit out. Nothing speaks to you like an old person, like cedar siding or closet. I'll tell you what, that's the hole of damn death right there, because you don't know. That son of a gun is steep. And you just go off it, man, that'll get you killed. That'll get you heaven bound. You got to watch that shit.